In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a label in Gmail on phone. First, let's get started by opening the Gmail app on your phone. You will see the familiar interface with your inbox displayed in front of you. This is where all your emails are organized. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Having the app on your phone is essential because it allows you to access your emails quickly and efficiently. Once you have the app open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next up, we need to open the menu. Look towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see the three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Tap on this icon and a side menu will slide into view. This menu is crucial as it provides access to various features and settings in Gmail. You'll be able to find all your labels, settings, and other important functions here. Once you tap the menu icon, you will feel a sense of progress as you navigate through the app. Now, let's create the label itself. Scroll down the menu until you reach the section labeled All Labels. This is where you can manage your existing labels and create new ones. Once you find all labels, tap on Create Label. This action is important because it allows you to categorize your emails effectively. By creating labels, you can keep your inbox organized, making it easier to find important emails later. After tapping Create Label, you will be directed to a new screen where you can enter your label name. At this point, it's time to enter the name of your new label. Think of a name that best fits the purpose of this label. For instance, you might use Work, Bills, or Family. Type your chosen label name in the text field provided. This step is essential because it defines how you will group your emails. A clear and descriptive label name helps you locate specific emails swiftly. Once you have typed in your label name, you can feel confident that your emails will be organized according to your needs. Finally, let's save your new label. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. Tap on Save and you will see a confirmation that your new label has been created. This simple action ensures that your changes are saved and your new label is now ready for use. You can now return to your inbox and start applying this label to your emails. Remember, organizing your emails with labels can save you a lot of time later when you need to find important information. Now you have successfully created a label in Gmail on your phone. You can use this feature to manage your emails better and keep your inbox neat. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized in your email management.